Hey there, it's Christy Wilson. And today we're going to be talking about a question that I've been asked several times recently while being interviewed on a few podcasts. The question is, are entrepreneurs born or made? You might think that some people just have that it factor from the start, right? They're born with it. So let's jump in, break it down. Are they really born with their skills, or are they made through experience and learning? So, starting first, the classic belief that business owners, entrepreneurs, they're just born. Some people believe that successful entrepreneurs just come out of the womb with a business plan practically in hand. They point to those natural go getters who seem to just have a knack for spotting opportunities, taking risks, and leading with that confidence from a very young age. And I get it. You see a young person, there's definitely people out there who just seem to have that what it takes, that confidence, that ability, those leadership skills. But is that really how it is? There is something compelling about thinking that people were just destined for greatness from day one, right? But let's look at the opposing view. This perspective argues that entrepreneurship is more about those experiences you go through, the skills you pick up along the way, and how you choose to apply them. It's about resilience, learning from your many failures, and continuously adapting, being able to pivot, becoming dynamic. Many successful entrepreneurs definitely didn't start with a genius level IQ. They were shaped by their environment